Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today will be a fun video on how I add some flexi rods to achieve these nice, flowy, bouncy, tight curls. Yes, they will get loose and they will dry because I did put the flexi rods on a body wave. Body wave. Wait, this wig is 4 years old, probably 4 years and a half. I had this wig and I'm not using the lace because the lace was getting a little thin, so I was like, let me just turn it into a half wig. So you guys will see how I place the rods and what I use. I only use water and some sheen spray. That's all. You guys can use other products, but this is what I use on this here if you want to get it to look like this. And I use 12 rods on this here, and this here has 3 bundles and a 5x5 lace closure. Yeah. So it's very simple. I love this. I love to do this hairstyle. One, it protects the wig from getting damaged. And remind you, I had this wig for a long time, so I love it. And I don't want to damage the wig because I am going to reuse the wig. I'm just going to take out the closure and then put a new closure. And yes, this is one of my hair. It's from Gorgeous K Hair. Get your hair, get your bundles, get your wigs. I turned this into a wig with using bundles and a lace closure. You can also get some wigs too because I do have 5x5, 13x6, 13x4 wigs. So get up on it. And I also sell half wigs. remember the curls are gonna drop over time. This is the back. Yeah, I love it. And yes, you can add your headband if you like, but I'm not gonna add it. I just wanted to show you guys how it will look, just to hide that lining. Remember, it's a lace closure wig. Oh my god, this is so cute. And that was my main reason why I curled the hair going to the face, just so it can drop like this. This is really cute. I'm looking at the camera. Yeah, I didn't add any more sheen spray because I previously sprayed some before I placed it underneath the dryer. You guys will see that. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that in the previous video. This is the baby hair I'm working with. I know, it's a little dramatic, but my relaxer's fading away, so I usually put a little bit more hair. Yeah, so